Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simple but super effective trick that can totally transform your designs, adding shadows in Photoshop. Whether you're working on product images, digital art, or graphic design, shadows add depth and realism that really make your work pop. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create both natural-looking drop shadows and more dramatic cast shadows using easy techniques that anyone can follow. Even if you're new to Photoshop, all you'll need is your image, a background layer, and a little creativity. We'll be using tools like the layer styles, transform, and blur filters to make our shadows look realistic and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add drop shadows using layer styles, create cast shadows with transform tools, control shadow direction, softness, and opacity for a realistic effect. So let's open up Photoshop and jump right in. Adding shadows in Photoshop is a great way to make objects look more realistic and grounded. There are a few ways to do it depending on what you're going for. Here's a quick breakdown of the most common methods. Method 1. Drop shadow layer style. This method is fast and easy. Step 1. Select your layer. Select the object or text you want the shadow on. Then go to Layer, then Layer Style. Select Drop Shadow or click the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Drop Shadow. You can adjust settings like opacity. Opacity determines how dark the shadow is. The greater the number, the more opaque the shadows are. You can also change the angle or the direction the light is coming from. Also the distance. You can set how far the shadow falls from the object. Spread tells us how much it expands. Changing the size gives us how soft or blurry the shadow is. After all changes are made, hit OK when it looks right. Method 2. Create a custom shadow. With this method, you can have more control over your shadows. This is better if you want to manipulate the shadow more freely. To do this first, you have to duplicate your object layer. Then fill it with black. In some drawings, you can select the layer content by pressing Ctrl or Command plus click the layer thumbnail. Then go to Edit, Fill, select black, or you can just use the Paint Bucket tool. Then deselect or Control or Command plus D to deselect the selection. Now to add a blur effect to your shadows, go to Filter, Blur, choose Gaussian Blur, and blur to your liking. Then, use the Move tool to offset the shadow. You can also lower the opacity of the shadow layer if needed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add realistic shadows in Photoshop to give your designs that extra depth and polish. Whether you're working with text, objects, or composite images, mastering shadows can really elevate your work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Got questions or want to see more effects like this? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Peace.